once bought a pair of shoes from a drug dealer. Not a good idea. I don't know what he laced them with, but I was tripping all day. You know, the turf was a good, but very short term. Less than a week. And these chickens have destroyed all this turf we put down. So, let's give them a new reason to smile. We got our screen tire.
What an awesome
Another tire. Now I'll be back with some dirt.
I love how
we got some nice dirt here, and it is full of worms. It's full of bugs. It's full of ants. And you know what? Since I got to go peel some sod off to finish one of these tires, I'm going to fill it full of dirt now. Let the chickens out, because this is first thing in the morning. And although it's sunny, although it's hot, they haven't been out yet, and they're going to come through this dirt. They're going to see those bugs, and they're going to love it. I'm going to put one right here in the middle. That way you can see it good. See how these chickens react to this. I know they're going to be loving the inside of that tube once the dirt's in there. So let's check this out. We'll get some dirt in there and then we'll let them loose. All right, still quite heavy. Look at there. That's what I want to do basically. I want it down to about here. Maybe a little more, shovel 2 or more. The ground is like nice and soft and moist. So basically I'm going to cut a piece of sod that sits in there. The dirt is going to be below this tire rim. And the reason for that is when I put this, actually, I can roll it out if I can undo it here in a second. Let me see here, it's bound pretty tight. But basically, and then that will go over the grass and it'll be screwed into the tire. So that way the grass is always growing through there. The chickens cannot get at the roots of the grass to kill it, but they'll always have grass sprouting out that they can pick at. That is the idea. That is forever grass. Hopefully the chickens don't destroy this in 2 or 3 days. Make sure it's all good, and then we'll see how these chickens react. The other tire I think I'm just gonna put beside it. I'll dump what's left in there, but let's get to building this one. Another tire, put right over that hole, dump her in. There we have it, folks. I better do up my shoelace for safety reasons. Okay, so we got our things. We're gonna let these chickens out. Watch them explore. Oh, chickens. Hey, come here. Call them again, remember the call sign? Look at this. There's no grass here yet, so you don't know what it is. Look at, a worm. Oh, don't get fighting. They know what it is. Now they got the hint. You get in there and don't scratch all that out yet because I got to put some turf on there and I got to cover it up. But first, I got to get some tools. I'll be right back. Although the chickens were in this for a little bit, I think they'll be way more interested when there's grass in there. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this just so it's just over the rim size from here to here. And as anything, folks, safety first. We don't want I'm cutting steel, so you don't want this in your face. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this guard a little bit sideways. And here we go. So look at that. Now, I think this is going to be the best idea. You know, the turf was a good, but very short term. The boxes where you got to build, and then it takes time to build. It's lumber. You need to grow the grass, which takes time and money for the seed and the effort and watering and the time. It's just not, this is quick. This is going to be quick. I'm going to go grab some sod and I'm going to plop it in there. I'm going to screw it down and then we'll see the chickens' reactions. Look at this. This is going to be your forever grass. You know what? I think it's too long. Actually, have I got the shovel near here? No, I don't. Oh, yes, I do. I'm gonna take some of this dirt out, I think. Hopefully the chickens don't eat all this before it's in there. Look at all the ants coming. You want some forever grass, chickens? There There we go. Don't eat all that grass before I get it in there. They're definitely loving the idea of the grass. So I'm gonna smooth this out a little bit more. Get these big things out of here. Want a piece of stick? All right, I need some of this grass to plant. We're planting it. Chickens, they're trying to get any little last piece they can. All right, chicken, cover this up a little bit. Actually, get it planted. This might be too long to stuff under there. Let me see. Here, can I move this for a sec so you don't get hurt with it? Can I borrow this grass? Thank you. All right, we'll plant that in there too. We get them down in there deep enough, we could probably just trim the tops, right? And a wall for this one. It's got a nice big root. Even trimming, it'll still allow it in eventually to grow back up. Boy, it looks like a jungle in here. It looks like a jungle in here. They're waiting for me to leave so they can devour it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut half of this off. Did I bring a knife? Homesteader, do I have a knife? Yes, of course I have a knife. Here, chickens. Eat the tops of that. Here, chickens. You can eat that while I get this ready. Get her planted. Get this put over. Doesn't really matter where because it should eventually grow through. I'm thinking. If we can get a couple of sticks through, that'd be awesome, but it's pretty long, right? You'd probably want shorter sod to start with, but I'm gonna put this right like that. I guess we'll see what happens. I know the chickens love the grass, and all I want to do is make sure they have a constant supply. And this way, I think they will. All right, where am I at? I'll put one in here. I'll put one in here. I got these little holes. Just make sure I'm over everything else here. Look at that. Awesome. Well, folks, next step, gotta water it. Now, my hope is that this just keeps growing. I'm figuring as long as there's sunshine, as long as there's dirt in there, and as long as it's watered, there's no reason it shouldn't. But I know it'll be constant grass. That's the plan. I think I could even come down. I could probably get away with this much dirt that I use in this one, which is not quite to the top. This one I went to the top, but then I dug a bunch out. So I guess we'll have to follow this and see how it grows. Hopefully it keeps growing and keeps growing and keeps growing, and we will solve that issue of grass. They obviously like the grass right now, but it is so darn hot out at the moment. You know, any sign of shade, that's probably where you're gonna find chickens. And you want an example of that? I'll show you right now. Look at these chickens. Look at these chickens. They're all just sitting in the shade under the maple trees. Hey? So, that's it. My tire turf forever grass. Keep watching, we'll see if it grows. Right now, them chickens don't want to do nothing. They want to be in the shade. I don't blame them. It's like 30 degrees out here Celsius. So, you chickens drink lots of water today. You're gonna need it. As far as you guys, you keep watching. If you like this video, follow the one on the turf we just did. It's up recently. And well, this is my solution to that video. Let's see how that works. And keep an eye on your escapee chickens. Till then, take care. Escapee chicken.
3 days later.
Well, there you have it, folks. My tires and my turf grass. Let's see if this one holds good. I just gave it a little bit of a water today. We're gonna check it out. Hopefully it grows out a little better, but yes, it is in there. And as far as now is concerned, it's still green and it's still growing. So we'll come back to that, but you know what we're up to now? That's right. Time to get that brood cage going. Let's go hatch some chicks. Till next time, keep watching, share,
Chicken soup with
comment,
Grumbles.
like, you know what you do.
What an awesome
And you guys have a great day. Take care.
Chicken soup with Grumbles. I love how it makes me feel. Chicken soup with Grumbles. She loves it every time. Chicken soup with the Grumbles. No, you can't have mine.